Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel is Smart Study. Today I am going to discuss the science paper of the 4th class. I think many of you are eagerly waiting for your answers. Now the time has come to check your answers. You can check your answers now. The first bit is what children? Choose the correct answers, okay, and each question carries the half mark. The first question is what? This is made from skin of the dead animals: paper, glass, leather. Which is made from the skin of dead animals, children? Leather. So your answer is C. Those who wrote C, you will get the half mark. Now moving to the second question. We should not do this in case of the minor burns. Burns means what? Kalipovam antam kadana. So what we should not do in the case of the minor burns, they are asking. Putting ice pack on the affected area. If it is burnt, we can put the ice cube on the affected area. Next one, putting antiseptic lotion on the affected area. Antiseptic means what I told for you. What? Bernol or Calamine, anything you can keep there, no problem. See, you see, putting bandage over the affected area. Did I ask you to keep any bandage when you got the minor burns? No. So we should not do this in case of the minor burns. What is the answer, children? C. That is putting bandage over the affected area. Your first answer is C and the second answer is C. Now moving to the third question. When should we use an ice cube? When should we use ice cube, children? In case of minor burns or minor cuts or fainting in minor burns. Okay, if it is burnt anywhere, then you can use the ice cube there. So third answer is A. Now moving to the fourth question. Clothes made of this material are wrinkle free and strong. Wrinkle means mudtalu antam kadana, that one. So in this type of clothes, cotton, silk and jute, which type of clothes are wrinkle free and strong, nana? Jute. Basta antam kada, those one. Jute from where do we get? From plants or animals? From plants. From jute plant we get the jute, right? Yes. Now your fourth answer is C. And now moving to the fifth question. Which of these following is poisonous? That means dangerous. Ice cream, naphthalene balls, toffees. Naphthalene balls are dangerous. So fifth answer is B. So finally I am saying all the answers. A bit. Choose the correct answers. First answer is C. Second answer is C. Third one is A. Fourth one is C. Fifth one is B. You can check your answers. Now moving to the B bit. Just wait for a minute. I am zooming it. Yes. Now see, B bit is what, nana? Hard words. And each hard word carries how many marks? Half mark. One after one I will say you. First one is what? Did you guess? What is the answer? Accident. Yes. What is the spelling of accident? ACCIDENT. Accident. I am writing here also. You can see. Accident. This is I, children. DENT. This is the answer. Accident. Moving to the second one. Synthetic clothes. SYNTHETIC. Synthetic. I am writing here again. You can check. What is the spelling of synthetic, nana? SYNTHET. This is T. I C. This is the answer. Synthetic. Moving to the third one. What is the answer? Can you guess? Uniform. What is the spelling of uniform? UNIFORM. Uniform is the answer. I am writing here again. UNIFO. Here I is there. This is dot. Okay. FORM. Uniform is the answer. Moving to the fourth one. What is the answer? Nylon. 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 I am writing here. NYLON. Nylon is the answer. Last one is hygiene. What is the spelling of hygiene? HYGIENE. Hygiene. Yes or no? Yes. I am writing here. Check here. HYGIENE. Hygiene means keeping clean. Yes or no? Being neat. So this is the spelling of the hygiene. First one is the accident, second one is the synthetic, third is the uniform, fourth one is the nylon, and the last one is the hygiene. These are our hard words. Now moving to the C bit, true or false. See here. First question is what, children? Clothes made of synthetic fibers can catch fire easily. Synthetic fibers. What is the other name of synthetic fibers? I told for you. Man-made fibers. What are the examples of synthetic fibers? Nylon, crepe, terracotta, polyester. All this comes under the synthetic fibers, right? So what they are saying, all the clothes made of the synthetic fibers can catch fire easily. Yes, this is the true. So if it is true, I am writing as T. If it is false, I am writing as F. So first answer is true, I wrote here T. Second one should always take a medicine after consulting a doctor. Yes or no, children? Yes. Every time after going to doctor, whatever prescriptions the doctor gives, immediately you need to take that medicine. So the answer is true, I wrote here T. Third one, we should apply calamine lotion on the burnt area. Calamine means what? Any ointment. Yes or no? Bernal ointment you'll keep where it is burnt. Calamine also like that one ointment only. So where it is burnt, you can apply the calamine lotion. This is also true. I am writing here T. Next, moving to the fourth question, we get silk from the plants. Do we get silk from the plants, children? No, false. Why? Because from where do we get silk, Nana? From the cocoon. Is cocoon a plant? No, it is an animal. If they have given here, we might get silk from animals, means it used to be correct. But here they have given that we get silk from plants. So it is false. So I am writing here F. F for false. Now moving to the last bit. We should run on a wet floor. Wet ante tadi. Yes or no? So should we run on the wet floor? No, you will slip and fall. So this answer is also false. We should not run on a wet floor. But they have given we should run on a wet floor. So false. So what are the answers, Nana? First, second, third are true. And fourth bit and fifth bit are false. Okay? Clear? Now moving to the fill in the blanks. See here. First question, what is there? We should cross the road at dash crossing only. What is the answer? Where should we cross the road at? What did I told in the class? Zebra crossing only. What is the spelling of zebra, Nana? Z-E-B-R-A. So we should cross the road at zebra crossing only. This bit also each question carries half mark. Next one. Synthetic fibers are also called as, what is the other name of synthetic fibers? I told for you, man-made fibers. So synthetic fibers are also called as what, Nana? Man-made fibers. Yes or no? This is M-A-D-E, man-made fibers. Next, third one. If we touch an electrical switch with wet hands, we may get an electrical dash. What will happen if you touch the electrical switch with wet hands? Wet ante tadi చేతులు అని చెప్పిన. So if we touch the electrical switch with wet hands, we may get an electrical shock. Yes or no? What is the spelling of shock? S-H-O-C-K. So this is the answer, shock. Now moving to the fourth bit. Clothes that one wears in the school are called dash. What do we call for clothes that we wear in the school? Uniform. In the hard words also uniform spelling came already. What is the spelling of uniform? U-N-I, uni, F-O-R-M, uniform. This is R and M. This is your answer, uniform. Now moving to the last one, fill in the blank. We should dash doors and windows if we smell gas in the kitchen. What we should do if we smell any gas in the kitchen? Immediately we need to open all the doors and windows in the kitchen. Yes or no? So what is the spelling of open, Nana? O-P-E-N. So finally I am telling all the answers. In the fill in the blanks, first answer is zebra, second answer is man-made, third answer is shock, fourth answer is uniform, fifth answer is open. Okay? And now moving to the E bit. Wait for a while, I am zooming it. Yes, now see here. How many bits I have given? 6 bits. Each question carries half mark. Left side some questions are there, right side some options are there. We need to match each one. So first one, what is a deep cut? Next, gumboots, synthetic fiber, minor cuts, minor burns and animal fiber are there. One after one we shall see. First one is what? Deep cut. Deep cut means some only it will be cutted, or more it will be cut more. Deeply it is cutting. So what is the answer? When it is cutted deeply, what did I ask you to do? We should put a bandage on the effect area. Where it is cutted deeply, we need to tie a bandage. So first answer is what, Nana? B. I am writing here B. Next one, 2 is what? Gumboots. Gumboots means what I told, like shoes it will be there. I told no, waterproof one. And in which season we wear the gumboots? During the rainy season. What is the other name of rainy season? I told for you, monsoon. Monsoon is also called as rainy season. Yes or no? So gumboots will be like shoes. Those are worn during the rainy season. That is rainy season only is nothing but monsoon. Why we wear this? For protecting from the rain. Yes or no? Without water falling, these are the waterproof material. Like shoes they will be there. And in which season we will wear this one? Monsoon. Don't think what is this monsoon. Monsoon is only nothing but the rainy season. Okay, what is the spelling of rainy, Nana? R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Season spelling you already know. So second answer is what, Nana? A. Gumboots are worn during the monsoon. And moving to the third question, synthetic fiber. What is the other name of synthetic fiber? I told for you, man-made fiber. That means all the fibers which are made by the man in the factories are called as nothing but the synthetic fibers. What are the examples of synthetic fibers? I told for you, nylon, crepe, terracotta, polyester. Yes or no? In this all, which is there for us here? They have given crepe. They have given crepe is a synthetic fiber, right? So synthetic fiber answer is crepe. This is which option, Nana? E. So third answer is what? E. And now moving to the fourth question, minor cuts. Minor means small or big? Small. When the small cuts happen, what first aid we need to take? Immediately we need to wash that cut with the antiseptic solution. Yes or no? So minor cut means wash the cut with the antiseptic solution. So the fourth answer is F. F is our answer. Minor cut means wash the cut with the antiseptic solution. And now moving to the fifth one, minor burns. Minor burns means what? Kalina chota burns అని అంటాం. So what we should do there immediately? We should apply the calamine lotion on the affected area. Means Bernol or any ointment we should apply where it is burnt. So fifth answer is what, Nana? D. I am writing here G. Now moving to the last one, animal fiber. Means the fibers which we get from the animal are called as the animal fiber. Now wool is there. From where do we get the wool? From the sheep. Sheep is an animal, so wool is an animal fiber. So the finally sixth answer is the C. Once I am telling all the answer. First one is B, second answer is A, third answer is E, fourth is F, fifth answer is D, sixth answer is C. Again I am saying B, A, E, F, D and C. Again I am saying B, A, E, F, D, C are your answers. If you have got confused, pause the video and listen again carefully and check your answers, right? And now moving to the short question answers. Two questions I have given short question answers. Each question carries 1 mark. What is the first question I am reading? See here. Write the names of any two insects that can attack woolen and silk clothes. Okay. I told for you some insects will come and spoil the wool and silk clothes. So what are those two names of the two insects that will spoil the clothes? I told for you. So what are the answers? Moths and silverfish. What is the spelling of moths, Nana? M-O-T-H. Yes, moths. And one more is what? Silverfish. What is the spelling of silverfish? Silver spelling you know, S-I-L-V-E-R. Silverfish. F-I-S-H. So I am not having space here, just I wrote moths and silverfish. But you need to write moths and silverfish are the names of two insects that can attack woolen and silk clothes. Whole answer you need to write in a sentence formation, right? Now moving to the second question. Name any two common emergencies that need the first aid. Means what? I told for you many first aid treatments. Any two common emergencies you can write. What I told for you in the class? Fainting, minor cuts, minor burns, bee stings. Yes or no? So among that all, any two you can write. I am writing here two. Minor cuts I am writing and minor burns I am writing. Okay, you can write fainting, bee sting or anything you can write. Minor cuts. One more I am writing minor burns. So here more space is not there, that's why I'm not writing more and more. Just 2 I'm writing. I asked also 2 only. Minor burns, BURNS. So minor cuts and minor burns are the two common emergencies that need first aid, or you can write fainting and bee sting are the two common emergencies that need first aid. Anything you can write. So these are the two short question answers. Each question carries 1 mark. And now moving to the long question answers. Each question carries 1.5 mark. Okay. First question, what did I wrote? See here, these big questions I can't write everything. Just I will say the answer. Listen and you can check your answers. See, first question is what there, Nana? How do we get leather? Name any 5 articles made of the leather. How do we get leather? I told for you. We get the leather usually from the skin of the dead animal. So what you should write there? We get leather from the skin of the dead animals. And they have asked name any 5 articles made of the leather. Articles means things. Any 5 things you can give which are made up of the leather they have asked. So you should say what? Belts, shoes, furniture, so all this I have told, no, like that. Any 5 articles you can give which are made up of the leather. Okay. How do we get leather? And name any 5 articles made of the leather means what? We get leather from the skin of the dead animals, and by using leather we can make the belts, bags, shoes, clothes, furniture and everything. Okay. Any 5 you can name them. Next, moving to the second question. What precautions should you take to avoid the accidents? At home I asked, at school I asked. First one, at home what you should do? If you are playing with the, if you are using the scissors, what you should do? Precaution means you should take the instructions from your mothers, or from your mother, or from your adults. Adults means what? Big people, like in front of your sister or brother or your parents. You should ask them how to use and use the scissors or knives or anything. So while using any knives, blades or scissors, you should take the help of your adults. Yes or no? In this way, at home many precautions I told for you. Yes or no? Suppose you are playing with the toys at home. After playing with the toys, immediately you need to take the toys and keep at the right place. Otherwise what will happen? If anybody are walking near the two toys, they may slip and fall and they will get the hurt. Like this many instructions I have given. Any two you can write. Next one, at school. At school what precautions you should take? Suppose you are playing in the playground. You should not push each other. Yes or no? While coming up and going down, up and down the stairs, you should not push each other. If you push each other, what will happen? You will slip and fall. Yes or no? And in the classroom also, many will play on the benches. You should not do such things. In the classroom you are not supposed to play. So such type of precautions, any 1 or 2 in the own way you can write. If you can write in your own also, no problem, but the sentence formation should be correct. Okay. And moving to the H bit, last one. What is it? Draw and write the parts of the first aid kit. First aid kit means you all know generally what is meant by first aid. Emergency. Suppose if you got any accident at home, at school or at office, immediately what we'll do? We'll take the first aid kit. Yes or no? What will be there in the first aid kit? Scissor, bandage, tablets, Dettol, all this will be there. So in that all, any 1 or 2 parts if you draw enough, and you should draw and label it. Suppose if you have drawn the tablets, for example I am drawing, see, these are the tablets. So like this you should draw the tablets and you need to write the name as tablets here, like this. Okay. Any 2 or 3 parts from the first aid kit you need to draw and label it. Label means write their names. Okay. And this is your answer paper. You can check your answer, and congratulations to all the winners, those who will get the 20 out of 20 marks. And still if you are having any doubts, you can put in the comment box. And if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study. Thank you. Be at home and be safe, Nana.